So, you want to know about Ford F-150 trucks with Fiberwerx parts? This topic has a zoning effect on truck fans, because the numbers don't lie. Over 700,000 F-150s sold every year, and yet stock looks pretty boring after a while. Fiberwerx is like giving your F-150 a Marvel superhero suit. We're talking wider fenders, bedsides, and even hoods that can make your daily driver look like it time-traveled out of the Baja-1000. The visual impact is immediate, 10 inches of added width in some builds. People stress over daily usability with fiberglass fenders, and I get it. Your truck still needs to handle grocery runs and not just look good on Instagram. Modern Fiberwerx kits fit stock bodies precisely, so if done right, you aren't sacrificing practicality. The install looks intimidating if you've never yanked off fenders before, but it's less cryptic than IKEA furniture. Basically, remove bolts, loosen liners, test fit the new parts, drill a few new mounting points, and paint. Most home mechanics do it over a weekend. Pain point number 1, painting and matching finish. This will wake up your inner perfectionist because every small color mismatch stands out more on custom fiberglass. Pro tip, get paint codes from Ford and let a shop spray the panels before install. Off-road guys chase long travel suspension, and Fiberwerx is half the formula. Factory fenders are way too tight once you throw on 37-inch tires and longer A-arms. The wider vented fenders let all that wheel travel actually do its thing. 9 to 12 inches isn't unusual. Some buyers fear fiberglass cracks like your grandma's porcelain dish. Different game here. Fiberwerx uses hand-laid composites that flex with the trail. Yes, it'll take a hit, but unless you slam a light pole, you'll mostly be worrying about big rock chips. Aerodynamics is the next rabbit hole. You aren't hypermiling a truck, but Fiberwerx panels actually help airflow during off-road driving. The vents push air out of the engine bay, lowering temps by up to 15%. It's subtle, but over time that's less engine wear. Body flex is another myth. The F-150's steel frame does most of the hard work, so aftermarket fiberglass really just rides along. If you install everything with the right fasteners and support brackets, you're not going to rattle panels off on a logging road near Portland. Insurance companies might give you the squinty eye. Factory appearance only matters until you file a claim. If you're worried, keep your stock panels tucked somewhere in the garage. Swapping back is pretty straightforward, especially if you took photos of the original install. Resale value. Some will claim ruined truck, but it depends who's buying. In the Northwest, I've seen modified F-150s with Fiberwerx kits go for 15% higher than bone stock versions. The audience is just different. Aesthetics matter, but so does actual off-road performance. Pros and cons. A basic Fiberwerx setup costs 20% of the price of a full lift kit, and the visual upgrade is hard to overstate. The main drawback is time. Don't expect bolt-on and done. But if you want heads to turn at every stoplight, it's honestly hard to beat.